Warning, these fidget toys are highly addictive. If you love satisfying 3D prints, then definitely watch this. If you don't, then skip the video right now. So this is a 3-in-1 fidget toy. It has this thing right here, which I actually have a bigger version of that. It also has a button that clicks. Not very loud, but you can hear it. And then you have this spinning wheel. That makes a lot of noise. And it's perfect to hold in your hand. You can just sit there and fidget with it all day long. You need it to concentrate, whatever, or you just love satisfying clicking things. Make sure to check out the last fidget because I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on it. Check out this fidget toy. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's an infinity cube. This thing is actually massive and I love the colors. I use that ombre blue again. Look at this. This thing is so seamless when it folds and it just keeps going and going. It's so satisfying and that's why I love fidget toys. They literally blow my mind. Look at that. And what I love about this one too, it has all the textures on the outside, so it really feels good in your hands. It's part fidget, it's part artwork. Check out this fidget flower. Fidget flowers are amongst my favorite 3D printed fidgets. Look how crazy they look. Like it looks like an infinity pool. Like if you push down like this, look at that. So weird looking. And if you like this one, check this out. I made a bigger one. Dude, look at that, the size. It's actually massive. And here's my favorite part of the fidget flower. It makes this really cool sound. So watch this. You ready? Listen closely. Listen to that. Doesn't that sound so cool? Now let's try the big one. Whoa! Dude, that's so awesome. Look at it. You can't even tell if it's in or out. If you didn't see me pull it out like that, you wouldn't be able to tell. All kinds of weird things with these, like trying to twist them. Look at that pattern. That's so sick with this little one. Kind of bounce it around like that. This is not just a fidget. This is an engineering flex. Watch this. Are you ready? Whoa, dude, this is so sick. I could literally spin this for hours and look at all the fine detail. The longer you look at it, the more you start to see, like with the details with the little squares in the middle, on the sides, and it spins so perfectly. Look at that. This prints in one piece and no assembly is required. Finally, we've come to the point in the video where we get to see the very last fidget, and this thing is amazing. Are you ready? Let's do it. Check out this awesome 3D print. Hold on one second. I've saved the best for last. Check out this mind-bending fidget. Can you guess what it is? This is called the fidget iris. Now watch this. All you do is twist it. Whoa, dude, that's so sick. It's kind of like an iris of a camera, but what it really reminds me of is like a sci-fi movie, like The Doors. And the colors I chose kind of looks like an Oreo too, but this thing is awesome. Look at that. It's so satisfying. It's insane. As always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link in my bio.